Hello friends, please subscribe my channel Tutorial Help Course and hit the bell icon to get more and more videos and their notification. Today we will talk about Cyclone Nisarga. Cyclone Nisarga made landfall at 1 pm on 3rd June 2020 at the south of Alibag in Maharashtra's Raigad district with strong winds of 120 to 140 km per hour, higher than expected. Nisarga is the second severe cyclone to hit Mumbai since 1961. The region rarely experiences cyclones, and the last storm to threaten Mumbai with such intensity was more than 70 years ago. Uprooted trees crashed into parked cars, many trees were uprooted, and thousands of tin houses were damaged in the coastal parts of Maharashtra. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra ordered Mumbai's residents to stay home for 2 days, and the city's airport was closed. Officials said they had evacuated up to 65,000 people from several coastal districts in the state. In the neighboring state of Gujarat, which was also in the storm's path, the authorities said that they had evacuated above 10,000 people from coastal areas and provided them with shelter. But many storm facilities have recently been converted in COVID-19 quarantine shelter, particularly in Maharashtra and Gujarat. While the impact of Cyclone Nisarga was lesser than anticipated, with Pune city and rural areas experiencing moderate rainfall and strong winds, 3 deaths and several injuries across Pune districts were reported. Heavy rain continued to lash Mumbai and its suburbs, causing waterlogging in several parts after Nisarga made landfall. Thank you very much for watching.